Everybody, Chris Honig here at MarineMax Wrightsville Beach, and today I'm aboard our brand new 2027 Scout 220 Dorado. This is an all-new design with the Dorado series that replaced the 215, and it is an incredible layout, brand new hull design, and a lot of other features we're going to go over today. On the back of the boat, we have this with the upgraded 200 horsepower V6 and the pearl white to match the rest of the Scout interior, and then a beautiful crystal blue hull on the exterior. This boat is a little over 22 inches or 22 feet length overall, 8'6" beam, so plenty of stability, and just a really good versatile boat for all your fishing adventures, island adventures, and water sports on the water. On the back of the transom, we have the sea deck exterior and a walk-through patio door through into the cockpit, and a shut-off door as well. 4 rod holders across the transom, freshwater washdown in the back, as well as your standard live well with a see-through aquarium door on there. We have fender pros that will pre-tie your fenders and then easy clip in here, and it frees up your pop-up cleats. And then a really nice seating layout in the cockpit area that can fold up to give you lots of room for fishing or anything else in here. Aft bench seat then creates a great bolster cushion to lean against while you're fishing. Really nice lounge area, so your guests can watch your water sports or fishing if you're doing that out in the water. And bolster cushions throughout. It's a very comfortable, beautifully aesthetic interior in here, as well as a new seating interior. This is Sunbrella material that Scout is using now, and holds up really well to UV and durability. At the helm, you notice the beautiful acrylic windshield that is frameless, so really nice design. It gives you that inside out feel without having too much of the look of a windshield, but still gives you the protection with the wind and the elements. Block off door, as well as your full windshield will come over to give you and your guests lots of comfort and protection from the elements. On the helm, we have a beautiful acrylic dash with a 7-inch Garmin GPS chart plotter. This will give you all your functionality from mapping to depth to fish finding capabilities. And then we have the all-new Seastar trim tab system, which enables you to have very easy movement and favorites saved for your different activities that you're doing out in the water. Tilt steering wheel. This is with the new Extreme Power Assist steering on board. So a new feature with the Scout makes this very, very smooth and easy operation on board. And then your Mercury, you'll have your digital throttle and shift with active trim, which will give you automatic trim settings with your engine to make, again, boating very easy and simple aboard on the Scout 220 Dorado. On the port side, we have another beautiful captain's chair, bucket seat with your bolster cushion, so you can sit on top or sit down comfortably below the windshield. USB chargers, have some holder storage for any of your accessories, and then a nice head area. This will be a porta potty head, and then you have a mirror and access for your storage for your table on there. And then on the other side, we'll have more storage, and your battery switch will be in there as well. But did a really nice job with fit and finish on board. Everything is finished out in gel coat. There's no raw fiberglass on Scout, and just a nice flow. One more thing to show you, nice ski locker down below, so you can store more storage in the middle of the boat. Heading forward, really nice deep lounge seats up in the bow, very comfortable. 6'2", and I can still sit in here very nicely. Armrest, everything aboard, safety rails to hold on to, and then what I like is a separate anchor locker up front, so easy to get the anchor out and not have to dig under cushions, but you'll still have nice access to storage underneath your cushions down below. Again, this is our quick overview of our 2027 Scout 220 Dorado. My name is Chris Honig. I can be reached at 910-256-8100. We'd love to get you out in the water soon.